Good morning, dear students. We have started question number 3 and question number 1 and 2 already done. So today I'll start from question number 3. 3. Question is root 2 to the power x plus 3 is equal to 16. You have to find the value of x. So we can write this root as 2 to the power x plus 3 whole to the power 1 by 2. We will use this property. So we'll apply this property here. Is equal to 16 means 2 to the power 4. Now we will multiply powers. X plus 3 into 1 is x plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 2 to the power 4. Now same base. If the base are same, powers are equal. So x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 4. We will write only powers. Now cross multiplication. X plus 3 is equal to 2 4s are 8. Now x is equal to 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So the value of x is 5. Next is question number 4. 4 to the power x minus 1 into 0.5 to the power 3 minus 2x is equal to 1 by 8 to the power x. Now anyhow we have to make same base. Okay, so here 4 we can express as 2 square. So in place of 4 we'll write 2 square whole to the power x minus 1. We will remove this decimal. We can write 5 by 10. Now we will cancel 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Then 8 can be written as 2 cube to the power x. Now we will multiply powers. Now next line will be 2 to the power 2 into x 2x minus 2 1s are 2. And 1 to the power anything is 1. So we will not give power to 1. 2 to the power 3 minus 2x. 1 by 2 to the power 3 minus 2x is equal to 1 divided by 2 to the power 3 into x 3x. That will be your next line. After that we'll copy the same. Then these two same base but they are in division. This 2 is in division, so we have to subtract its power. So 2 to the power 2x minus 2 minus 3 minus 2x is equal to right hand side. Now we will solve this. 2x minus 2 minus 3 minus into minus plus 2x is equal to 2 to the power minus 3x. Now 2x plus 2x is 4x. Minus 2 minus 3, same sign addition, minus 5 is equal to 2 to the power minus 3x. Same base, powers are equal. So 4x minus 5 is equal to minus 3x. So 4x plus 3x is equal to 5. Then 4x plus 3x is 7x is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 by 7. So the value of x is 5 by 7. Now we will do question number 4. If 2 into 3 to the power minus 2p whole to the power minus 1 into 9 to the power p plus 81 to the power p whole divided by 3 to the power 2q into 9 is equal to 3 to the power minus 2. Prove that 2q is equal to 4p plus 1. Now you have to solve this question and you have to prove this. 2q is equal to 4p plus 1. So first we will copy question. We will try to make same base. So here 9 we can write 3 square. Similarly 81 we can write 3 to the power 4. So we can make base 3. Here we will multiply powers. Minus into minus plus 2p into 1 2p into, in place of 9 we will write 3 square whole to the power p plus, in place of this 81, 3 to the power 4. In the denominator, in place of 9 we will write 3 square. Right hand side same. Then we will solve 3 to the power 2p into 3 to the power 2 into p 2p plus 3 to the power 4 into p 4p. Now cross multiplication. 3 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power 2q into 3 square. Here this 2 3 are in multiplication. We have to add their power. So we'll add power plus 3 to the power 4p is equal to, here all the base are in multiplications. We have to add their power. So minus 2 plus 2q plus 2. So minus 2 and plus 2 cancel. 2 into 3 to the power 2p plus 2p is 4p plus 3 to the power 4p is equal to 3 to the power 2q. Next is from here we can take out 3 to the power 4p common. We will write 3 to the power 4p. Then inside bracket 2 plus, in place of this we have to write 1 is equal to right hand side. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. So left hand side will be 3 to the power 4p into 3. Its power we will consider 1. Again two bases are in multiplication, we have to add their powers. So 4p plus its power is 1 plus 1 is equal to right hand side. Now same base, so powers are equal. So 4 to the power 4p plus 1 is equal to 2q. We can write as 2q is equals to 4p plus 1. Proof. This is what we have to prove. Now last question of this chapter is question number 5. If 3 to the power m is equals to 9 into 3 to the power n and 8 into 2 to the power n is equals to 4 to the power m. Find the value of m and n. Here we have two variables. So when we have two variables, we will get two equations. Always we'll get two equations. We will solve those two equations and we'll find the value of m and n. First we will take this. This 9 can be written as 3 square. 3 to the power m is equals to 3 to the power 2 plus n. Here is multiplication. Same base, powers are equal. We'll keep m and n together, number on the right hand side. So m minus n is equal to 2, equation 1. Now we'll copy this. We'll try to make same base. 8 can be written as 2 cube into 2 to the power n is equals to 4 to the power m. This 4 can be written as 2 square. 2 square. Here we will use property multiplication, powers will be added. Then 2 to the power 3 plus n is equals to 2 to the power 2m. Same base, powers are equal. So 3 plus n is equal to 2m. Now we will keep m and n together. So 2m will become negative. So minus 2m plus n is equal to 3 will become minus 3, equation 2. Now we will solve equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2 by elimination method. So first equation is m minus n is equal to 2. Second is minus 2m plus n is equal to minus 3. So here n and n can be cancelled since they already have opposite sign. M minus 2m is minus m is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Cancel minus minus. So m is equal to 1. Put this value of m in equation 1. Equation 1. So putting m is equals to 1 in equation 1. M minus n is equal to 2. So in place of m we'll write 1. 1 minus n is equal to 2. Minus n is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So minus n is equals to 1. So n is equal to minus 1. So the value of m is 1 and the value of n is minus 1.